Hi all, today I am going to show you how we can use presenter view in PowerPoint presentation. This particular option can be used by all of you who is into official presentation. A teacher, trainer, student, any corporate, any sales officer, anyone who is presenting anything to a stakeholder. What happened, when we show things to the stakeholders or to the audience, we have some backup notes with us which we can use for our own references, but we cannot show it to the audience what you are using. So this particular presenter view can help everyone who can help themselves in recalling the notes and just quickly brush up what they are wanted to say to the audience without showing the full content to the audience. Okay friends, now you can see this is my laptop window and this is the projector window. Fine. Now first step is we need to first put the projector cord in your laptop. Then what next you have to do is you have to press Windows button and P. 1 second, Windows and P. So this will give you options: PC screen, duplicate and extend. What you have to do is you have to go to extend. Now see, the moment I pressed extend, my projector screen is coming like this. See, these are the icons which is there in my laptop, but here it is nothing. Now what we have to do is, now we have to just open our file which file I just wanted to use. Now let me see, where is that? So right now I am going to open this particular PPT file. It is taking few seconds. Okay, so you can see this is the size. Now what you have to do is you have to go to slideshow. Now in slideshow, see, there is, 1 second, let me put it there. Yeah, so you just see show on, right? So what you have to do is, primary monitor means this is the monitor, the laptop what I am using. So you have to click on monitor to generic PNP monitor. Now you have to click on the use presenter view. Fine. Now see the magic. Okay. Now see, this is the window. This is the projector screen and this is my screen. So this particular slide and the trainer notes. So here I don't have any notes. This is zoom in and this is zoom out, and below you can see the other PPTs as well, other slides. Fine. So this you can use it for your own presentations where you have multiple monitor screen, one for you and one for the audience. Happy learning.